All right, drink we're about to make is called Flirting with the Sandpiper. We're going to fill a glass with ice and add 1 shot of light rum. Follow that up with a ½ ounce of cherry brandy and 3 ounces of orange juice. And finally, 2 dashes of bitters. And we'll go ahead and mix this together. Don't shake it. Just toss it back and forth a couple times. And set up a glass. And pour it in. And after a few of these, you won't only be flirting with the sandpiper, you'll be flirting with just about anyone around you. A nice orange citrusy drink that will fill your 100% vitamin C value of the day. Bottoms up.